Welcome to the new Vox Nutrition. Come take a tour with me. I want to show you around. Across the back of our facility, we have multiple places where we have two docks. This is where we will receive our products. In this particular area, we can bring the product in and take it right into one of our small lab sampling rooms, where we can sample the product and send it out for lab testing to make sure that the product is good quality and ready to be used. Right here is where we will be staging our products. Once they're picked and ready to be weighed, blended, and used into our products. Over here we have a freight elevator, one of two freight elevators that will bring the product up to the second story, and we'll be able to pick that product and go into our weighing rooms. Let's head upstairs. This is where our product comes upstairs to where we stage it to be able to pick and weigh the product. Here's where we staged product for one of our product runs. This is where it's going to go into our blending area. As you'll see as we walk into our weighing room, that we've made the flow in our facility very easy, very short, very efficient, using an over-under concept to where product can be loaded top-fed into our blenders and into our encapsulators. We'll show you as we walk through. This is one of our 3 weighing rooms. As you'll see that we have state-of-the-art filtration to make sure none of the products get cross-contamination, and we always have a clean, professional environment. Let me show you one of our 5 different top-fed blending rooms. This is where a product will come in. We'll be able to Swaco our product or screen our product to make sure that there's no chunks or debris in our product. We've got our filtration system set up here that will go into our bin, and then we can open that and drop that into our blender that's below us. And after the powder comes down from our top feed into our blenders, we will fill the blender, blend the product, and empty that into a bulk bag, which then comes out of our blending area and comes into our freight elevator back upstairs, where it'll be staged for encapsulation. This is where our finished blended product would be staged for encapsulation. Each one of these areas represents a job, and so we would be able to keep our product in here and then pull them into the proper room for top feeding into our encapsulators. All of our capsules are staged in a temperature-controlled environment, making sure that the humidity and temperature is appropriate for the capsules to be able to keep quality and integrity. And from here, our capsules will be walked down the hallway into our top feed encapsulation rooms. And then we are currently on our upper level. This is where we would bring our powder down the hall to top feed our encapsulators. As you can see, we have set up our facility to be able to top feed our capsules as well as our powders from a bulk bag to where we can continually run throughout a day, making it much, much easier on our employees and having better efficiency. In our new facility, we have 9 different encapsulation rooms, each one containing a Bosch 1505 or 3005 encapsulator. As you will see, our powder is top fed down into our encapsulator, and our capsules will also come down. With our Bosch 3005s being top fed, they are able to produce over 7 million pills per day. In our new box facility, we have multiple different rooms that have bottling lines. This particular bottling line is specific to organic and allergen products. Each one of our bottling lines runs from the room outside of the facility to be able to efficiently drop the product off, to be able to move into labeling or to be shipped out to our customers. Vox currently has 5 different bottling lines with the capacity to go up to 7 bottling lines for our soft gels, capsules, and tablets. Here's our printing department. This allows us to do fast turn times on a lot of our printing, anywhere from small runs of 50 labels up to 20,000 labels if we need. All right, on our lower floor we have our quality department and our different operations managers. We have 3 different rooms built right here that is set up for all of our retains. So key card access only in those different departments. And then we also have R&D here on the main floor. This is our labeling department. We can do private label products anywhere from 50 bottles up to 50,000 bottles as needed. We have all of our small bottling, our labeling stuff here, and then we have room for 10 different labeling lines to be able to label all different customers' jobs. In this area we have 6 different loading docks for our shipping department. So as product comes off of our labeling line, it comes straight across and can be loaded into trucks and sent out to our customers. This is our storage area for Vox Nutrition. We can store up to 3,500 different pallets here. In here we'll have all of our raw materials that are incoming. We'll have finished good storage, and then we'll have pre-bottled products ready to be labeled and be sent out to our customers. This is our filtration room where we have all of our dust collection, vacuum, as well as capsule separation. Vox Nutrition made sure that we went above and beyond on our filtration to make sure that we have the best quality product that we can possibly offer for our customers. This is our Vox auditorium. We've created this area for the ability to be able to have a customer area where we can get together with customers, vendors, or employee gathering area for different meetings and different lunches, dinners that we put on for our employees. This is our upstairs in the new Vox building. We have HR, accounting, purchasing, and sales that are in this area with lots of room to grow as we continue to serve more customers along the way. This is our Vox Nutrition fitness area. We believe that health and nutrition go hand in hand. We have a weight area and cardio cinema that we supply for our employees 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.